Hey guys, so I got a request yesterday to restore a table from a prior date, and I figured this would be something would be a good video topic. So, basically, what I'm doing here is I'm restoring a table using Oracle's Datapump. So, I, there are multiple ways that you can back up a database, and this is more of a logical, what they call a logical backup data pump. So, what it does is it exports your tables with their structures and their data to disk and allows you to import things on a piecemeal basis if you want, or you can import the whole thing. So yesterday, what I was trying to do was we're trying to go back. It just so happened I had about 2 weeks of these exports on disks, and so I wanted to go back and pull uh, the earliest one that I had on disk, which was from I believe May 18th, and restore that into the database. And then we're going to do some analysis and comparison between that version of the table and the data that existed as of yesterday. So, what something else I wanted to mention is that I believe that data pump should be used in conjunction with RMAN backup. So, RMAN is more of a full database backup utility and allows you to restore to a point in time, but it's more of your whole database. Whereas this data pump allows you to take snapshots and restore individual objects to the database if you want to. So it allows for a little more granularity than an RMAN restore would allow. And you can restore your objects alongside the current table to do your analysis and repair. So I just want to go over the syntax here. So the command is imptp-dp, which is your data pump utility. You give it a user ID. In this case, I'm just passing in the sysdba login, and the password credentials are being passed through the password file on the server. And then you tell it what tables you want to restore. In my case, you give it, I'm saying the master schema and my table. And then you give it the dump file name, which in this case is expdp mydb, and it's got a little date on there, 518 dump. And then you pass it a directory object. Well, so this is a logical name, data pump underscore dump, which maps to a physical directory on the database server. And then you're going to tell it you're going to use remap table, and that's what's going to allow you to do the alongside restore. So what I'm doing is I'm going to remap the table name from my table to my table. I'm putting a date on the end of it in this case. So underscore 2022 518. And then after you're done with that import, you're able to do comparisons across the tables. You can do restores or whatever you want to do with the new version of the table. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and send me your more questions. Thanks, guys.